Blir det bra?
Det blir jättebra.
Yeah.
Yes! Thank you! Here we go, guys. This is Xtreme Racers. First time we ride this.
Yeah.
And we are allowed to bring you on ride. This is awesome.
This is my 200.
And it's your number 200 roller coaster. So we actually, they actually stopped the roller coaster for us to do that because of safety reasons.
Yeah.
Feels strange to stop a roller coaster, but they did it very, very fast and efficient, so it felt good. And also, they let us take a picture of Sarah, so that was awesome. Here we go, guys. Mack Ride spinning coaster. Woo! Okay, that was a great first drop, I have to say. We can see ourselves there. Oh, it's raining. Oi. We have to make sounds when it turns. Oi. Oi. And here we do it again. Oi. I'm just waiting for a drop now. Okay, we're slowing down. Let's see what happens. It's raining a bit, but here we go. This is a nice roller coaster. I like this. I have to say the trains though, they are awesome. Oi! This is a really fun roller coaster. Look at that train. I hope you saw that. Lego Technics 4-wheel drive, and the roller coaster is Xtreme Racers. This is a very smooth wild mouse. Great job. Yeah. How was your number 200 roller coaster?
It was great.
That was awesome. Woo! It was great. I agree. Definitely worth it.
Yeah.
To be this one, the number 200.
It's perfect.
Yeah, I want to see that picture.
Yeah.
That's gonna be. Woo! That's a great roller coaster.